Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how you can install the Ecom app. It is a completely free toolbox that will allow you to push back the limits of the Speedfly theme and take full advantage of its potential. It's going to be very easy because the app is available in the Shopify App Store. So you can either do a manual search or you can simply click on the I want to install the app button that will take you directly to the applications page. And once you're on this page, I'm sure you can take it from here, but stick around because there is more to know. I'm going to add the application to one of our demo stores, install app, and we're going to wait a little bit. There we go. So this is going to be the main page of the application. I would like to remind you once again that this application is completely free, so if you're using our Speedfly theme, I strongly advise you to install it because you're going to enjoy a lot of additional features. And I'm going to go through the main features of this application so you'll have a clear idea of what you can expect. Firstly, you may have noticed that the application is in French, but don't worry, you can go to the settings and pick the English version if you've installed the French version. There we go. So here you can see that everything is translated in English. So now let's take a look at the first tab, guides and tutorials. In this tab you will be able to find all the different tutorials for the sections of the theme editor. So just a disclaimer, at the point of making this video, these tutorials have not yet been translated, but I'm pretty sure you can make some use of them because they still showcase different use scenarios. Now let's go back to home page. And now let's move to CSS hacks and HTML codes. This is a very important page because here you will find a big amount of codes that you can use to personalize your content further. So we didn't want to make our theme heavy with code, as it's called Speedfly. It's not Slowfly. So we decided to add a lot of small codes that will make small changes if you really need them. So for example, let's say you're on your collections page and you want to remove the sorting list. So you can just copy paste this code in a folder in the theme code, and then it will just remove the sort by of the collections page. So there's really a big amount of codes, and I think it's a very useful page. So take a look at it. Now back to home page. So now let's move to the advanced theme management. This is one of the most important parts of this application, and you will find 5 different sections that you can use. You have the product page management, the upsells management, the blog and articles management, pages management, and collections management. Firstly, the upsells management is for the upsells system that we have integrated into the theme, and it helps you customize your upsells for specific products. And then the blogs and articles management helps you add products directly to your articles pages. So these two are quite useful systems. But then we have the product page management, the page management and the collections management that kind of work in a similar fashion. So they allow you to personalize these pages like they are your home page. So you will be able to import different sections of your home page to your product page, for example. So we're going to go to this tab, and here you can see the different zones where you can add any type of content you want. So when you say pick the tab after quantity, so in your product page you will be able to add any type of content you want in the form of HTML code. So I'm sure we will make a translation of the tutorial that you can find here, and there will be a lot of more explications on this matter. So we are going to go back to our home page and move on to the resources tab. And in this page, you will be able to find different types of badges and images that you can just upload and use in your store instead of having to go and look through hundreds of Google search results. So now let's go to the demo templates. This is an interesting page because if you've liked some of our demonstration stores, you can actually come here and copy their presets and upload them to your own store. It's really a very straightforward process, just copy pasting a file, and then it's done. You can start working with some of the presets already installed in your own store. And lastly, there is the list of updates tab that's going to give you information on the upcoming updates. And as you can see, the next update, the 3.0, is scheduled for the 6th of April 2021. And maybe you already have the update if you're watching this after April, but this is going to be a huge update. We usually make new updates every 2 months, but this time we're taking our time because there's going to be a lot of changes and a lot of interesting things are coming overall for this year. So this is mainly it. Now you know how to install the app and why you should install it. There are a lot of different advantages to using it, and we hope you really like it. And lastly, there are a few buttons that you can find on the top of the page. For example, if you need any help, please go through this button and contact our support team. We reply fairly quickly. And then if you want to maybe check out some of our other applications or services, you can go through these other buttons. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel because we are going to upload a lot of useful content both in our English and French YouTube channels. Then you can also find the button that will redirect you to your account page on our website. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.